And it's really simple, you know. My poor dad always said to me, go to school and get a high-paying job. That's not wealth. That's a job. You can get fired, you know. And then my rich dad always says, work for assets. So there's basically 4 asset classes that makes a person rich, and there's lots of more, the subheadings and all this. But number 1 is a business. The richest young guys today start companies. It's called Facebook, Google, Apple, stuff like that, you know. Number 2 is real estate. So what my rich dad taught me is a combination of being an entrepreneur in business and entrepreneur in real estate. It's that combination is I pay no tax, and I make a lot more money. Okay, so a lot of guys say, well, I have a business. I say, well, how much real estate you got? Without real estate, you pay tax. That's the problem. And then there's paper, which is stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and savings. That's what most people should be in. The reason savings are good, I mean, paper is good, like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, are liquid. You make a mistake and get in and out real quick. Called liquid. The trouble with these two, you make a mistake, you're there forever. Can't get in and out. So that's why you gotta be very smart before you go in. And the last is commodities. And you know, that's why I own oil. And as the price of oil goes down, people say, are you losing money? I said, no, because in the US, if you deal in oil, you get tax breaks. So I invest $1 million in oil, I get 800,000 back. So I get 80% return day 1. So oil is very, very profitable. That's what, but I don't invest in oil stocks, very different. Okay, so if oil goes to $20 a barrel, I'm still cash flowing, still making money. So it's at about 40 right now. Hope it doesn't go too much farther, but I still make money, okay? And then the other commodities, you know, there's 4 precious metals. You know what the 4 are? Gold, silver, guns, bullets, okay? That's why I live in Arizona, not California. California, they don't let you carry guns. Everybody in Arizona carries. And the reason for that is because you have something, somebody's going to steal it.